If we want to do production management, head over to Inventory 1, Setup, and Location. Here we can manage the factories and what kind of processes we deal with in order to produce our product. Here, press New. Once you press New, give it a location code and location name. For us, it will be the factory code and factory name. For the type, select Factory. Under Process, make sure to press it and give it a new process name. If you have multiple processes, make sure to put in the according order. All you have to do is now make a factory and match it with the according process. Click Save, and now you are able to use these factories under our production menu.